Hi and welcome to Buzzard Exploration. Today I'm in a parkland that was originally, it's now a golf course, but it was originally parkland for an all-girls school. In the 1940s it was a girls' school, and we're going to look at the crash site, or the area where a Bristol Beaufighter twin-engined aircraft crashed in 1943. And the aircraft basically landed flat like a pancake, but both aircrew were unfortunately killed. An old shed at the edge of what is now a golf course. There's not much information about this crash, even though it was right next to the village. That's the golf course. So somewhere in front of us was where the Beaufighter crashed. The village is at that side of those trees. Thanks for watching. Press the subscribe button, press the notifications bell, and you'll get notified of new videos, because there's lots of videos to be filmed. And we shall see you in the next video.